In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your emails by deleting unwanted messages in Zoho Mail. Keeping your inbox tidy and organized can significantly improve your productivity and ensure that important emails don't get lost among the clutter. With the increasing volume of emails we receive daily, managing them efficiently is a skill worth mastering. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, we begin by opening Google Chrome, which is a reliable browser that supports Zoho Mail. Once Chrome is open, head over to the Zoho Mail website. You'll need to log into your account using your credentials. This ensures that you access the relevant email folders that you want to manage. Once logged in, you'll see the interface displaying various email folders, including your inbox. Navigate to your inbox, or if you prefer, any other folder where you have emails that you wish to delete. You'll notice each email has a checkbox next to it, which offers an easy way to select multiple emails. Now go through your list of emails and identify the ones you no longer need. Selecting these emails is simple. Just click the checkbox next to each email you want to remove. You'll see them highlighted, indicating they're ready for action. Remember, you can select a single email or multiple emails at once if you're looking to declutter more efficiently. With your unwanted email selected, take a look at the menu options usually found at the top of the list. Locate the trash or bin icon. Clicking this icon will move the selected emails to the trash folder. Moving emails to the trash is a helpful step as it gives you a safety net of sorts, allowing you to retrieve any emails in case you accidentally delete them. However, if you're confident that you no longer need these emails and want to clear up space, you'll want to permanently delete them. Head over to your trash folder, which temporarily houses all your deleted emails. Here, repeat the selection process as we did in the inbox. Click the checkbox next to each email that you want to delete permanently. Upon selecting the unwanted emails in the trash, find the option that says Delete Forever. Clicking this will remove the emails completely from your account. Be cautious with this step. Once you choose to delete forever, those emails can't be retrieved. It's a final action and should be undertaken with certainty. And there you have it. A straightforward method to manage and clear out your Zoho mail, bringing order back to your digital communication and allowing you to focus on the emails that truly matter. Regularly decluttering your email not only keeps things organized, but also enhances your productivity by reducing distractions. Happy emailing!